David.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah! Hey guys, today we're going to be shooting a bunch of TikTok videos using the new iPhone SE 2020 because you don't really need an expensive phone to get good TikTok videos. Plus, the iPhone SE has the A13 Bionic chip and the same main camera as the iPhone 11 and the same front camera as the iPhone XR. So let's get shooting! Alright, so our first challenge is going to be called One Day in Bed. So it's basically a challenge where you get up from one side and you go down to the other side and it keeps repeating, and the camera that will be shooting you will be doing the same. It'll keep going this way and repeating, and it'll look like a wheel. Now we don't have a bed here, so we're just going to improvise with a sofa. So yeah.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Just keep going, right? Wait.
Okay, so now we're going to be adjusting the clips. Basically, this is how it looks like. But to make it more seamless, you can click Adjust Clips and then select the parts where you think the ending or the beginning is a bit too long, and you just trim it. And when that is done, this is how the video should look like.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
Okay, so basically our next challenge is so obvious, wipe it down. Okay, I've set up the iPhone SE here. It's supposed to shoot the mirror, and I'll shoot 3 different videos. So the first one will just be a normal wipe it down, you know, your normal expression. And then you'll shoot a second one with the same outfit, with a slightly confused expression, and that will be in the last part. And the middle part will be me in a changed outfit. So I'll get to the editing later. Too much water. Alright, so we're going to be editing the Wipe It Down challenge using this DJI Mimo app because I find this much easier to use compared to TikTok itself. Okay, so we're gonna select the videos that we want, which is the Wipe It Down one. So this one, and this one. So we have 3 videos, and the one with your outfit change is supposed to be in the center. Right, so you just cut off the part near the first clip, the end where it covers your face, and then you attach the second one where, look at this. So the second one where it starts with covering your face and you're swiping downwards, and then it goes back up, and when it stops, you switch to back to your third one, which is you wearing the normal outfit, you know. So basically the second one where you are wearing a changed outfit, that is really, really short. Yeah, this is how the full video will look like.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down.
So now we are at our third challenge, which is the outfit challenge. So basically, you just keep changing outfits through the song, and how you do it is you just need to keep jumping. So when you jump up, it's one outfit, and when you go down, it's another. So we're gonna shoot a few videos in different clothes. So I've got the iPhone SE in a tripod right in front of me, and it's just gonna stay there. It's not gonna move, and it's very important that you stay in the same spot too, so that the transition looks more seamless. So basically, just select all the videos of you in different outfit, me in different outfit. Ding, ding, ding. There's 4. And then you just have to crop the part where you're jumping up. So just go to the part where you're jumping the highest point, and you stop. And you cut that part, delete the rest, and then you connect it with the one where you're jumping down. Alright, so when you've cropped the part and connect them, this is what you'll basically get. Okay, now we're on our 4th challenge, which is pretty easy. This is the sunglasses challenge. So basically, when the beat hits, you just have to get your sunglasses on and start dancing however you like. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. There's no editing needed. You can just straight shoot with the iPhone SE on TikTok. Yeah. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward. You don't really have to edit much. You just have to remove all the ugly parts that you don't want, which is probably the end part where I'm just doing stupid shit. So just click adjust clip and remove the end part. Which is all the dumb stuff I've been doing. So there are still lots of dumb stuff, but you know, whatever. It's TikTok. Yeah!
With it, group drop.
Right now we're at the next challenge called Turn the Speakers Up. I've invited my colleague Victor, so he's gonna dance with me. This is pretty straightforward too, no editing needed. You just need to match the song and hee hee. Alright, so for the Turn the Speakers Up challenge, we actually recorded the video using the song itself. So this is pretty easy since you just need to upload the video. Just upload the whole video. Like there's song already, you know. So you just cut out all the unnecessary part. Yep, so you just end there and we'll just leave it at where it ends. Come on, play. Okay, so that's where it ends, you just next, you know, and then you can post it. So this is how it look like. Alright, so for our last challenge today, which is also the one that I think is the most difficult, it's the flying challenge where you look like you're flying through the air, but it's actually a series of you jumping, so your phone don't really have to move. I've got my iPhone set up right there and I'm just gonna start jumping. The editing comes later, we'll talk about that later. For now, I just have to keep jumping. I'm still using the DJI Mimo app, and so basically you just have to find the part where your leg is highest, like kind of on the air. You cut it and hey, and when it goes like a bit, you go further a bit, but as long as it's still in the air, it's fine. Just cut it again, you know, and then you go to the next one where you're jumping up again. Up we go. Cut that. Go on. Cut that. So you delete the middle part. You know what? I actually did some earlier. I'm just gonna show you the earlier ones. So it's gonna end up something like this. Play. Yeah. So check out the full video.
You know I'm gonna get.
So yeah, a budget flagship like the iPhone SE is more than enough to edit and shoot your daily TikTok videos because its cameras, it's really similar to the other iPhones, but it's more affordable. Want it for an even lower price? You can, because Digi, our sponsor for today, offers the iPhone SE from a low 68 ringgit per month all-in plan for 24 months with Digi PhoneFreedom 365. You can also get it with 0 ringgit upfront payment plus double the internet quota of up to 200 gig per month. Visit Digi's website in the description box below to get the iPhone SE now. So that's basically it for our TikTok challenge video today. The iPhone SE is definitely a device you can get if you're a TikTok user and you like shooting daily TikTok videos because the camera is just as good as the other iPhones. Plus, you get the A13 Bionic chip, so you won't have to suffer through lagging when you're editing. And you also have an okay battery life. We've been shooting like few videos and it only took up almost half the battery. Plus, it's affordable at 1,999 ringgit, but you can get it cheaper with Digi. If you like my TikTok videos, make sure to check out our TikTok at KLGadgetGuy. And I'm going to start my TikTok career